pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay laws of exponents. Number 1. X raised to a times x raised to b equals x raised to a plus b. Example, x squared times x cubed equals x, pagpaplasin mo na yung exponents, 2 plus 3 equals x raised to 5. Yan, ito na yung magiging sagot. Number 2, x raised to a over x raised to b equals x raised to a minus b. Pagmaminusin lang natin yung exponents kapag division. Example, x cubed over x equals x raised to 3 minus 1. Kapag dito wala dito nakalagay na exponent sa taas, automatic yun ang 1 na yun. Yan, magiging sagot ay x squared. Number 3, x raised to a times y raised to a equals parenthesis xy raised to a. Ibig sabihin lang nito yung x squared times y squared. Pwede mo siyang isulat as xy parenthesis raised to 2. Number 4, x raised to a over y raised to a equals parenthesis xy raised to a. Parang katulad lang din ito ng number 3. Ang kaibahan lang ito ay division. Example, x squared over y squared. Basta magkatulad lang yung exponent, pwede mo siyang isulat as x over y raised to 2. Number 5, x raised to negative a equals 1 over x raised to a. Yung a is kahit anong number. Example, x raised to negative 2. Para maging positive yung exponent, lagay mo, reciprocal mo lang siya, maging 1 over x squared. Or pag nakakita ka naman ng 1 over x squared, sabihin 2. Pwede mo siyang isulat as x raised to negative 2. Number 6, x raised to a parenthesis raised to b equals x raised to a times b. Ibig sabihin ito, pwede mo siyang isulat as ganito. Example, x raised to 2 parenthesis 3 equals x raised to 2 times ibig sabihin ng times 3 equals x raised to 2 times 3, 6. Yan, ito na yung magiging sagot. Number 7, x raised to 0 equals 1 where x is not equal to 0. Ibig sabihin nito, any number raised to 0, ang sagot lagi is 1. Example, 2 raised to 0 equals 1. Or kahit magipay ang 1,000 raised to 0, ang magiging sagot din dyan ay 1. Number 8, b root of x equals x raised to 1 over b. Ibig sabihin ito, pwede mo siyang isulat as ganito. Example, cube root of x, pwede mo siyang isulat as x raised to 1 over 3. Number 9, b root of x raised to a equals x raised to a over b. Parang katulad lang itong number 8. Ang kaibahan lang, ito ay meron na siyang exponent. Example, cube root of x squared ay sabihin 3. 8 na yan. Equals, pwede mo siya isulat as x raised to 2 over 3. Yan, ganun lang yan. Number 10. Yan, madami ng root. May c na, may b pa. Okay, ang ginagawa ko lang dito ay kopyahin ko muna itong x raised to a, kung paano siya naging x raised to a over b, c. Ganyan, di ba? Tapos, gigilang siyang 1 over b, parang katulad ng sa 9, times 1 over c. Kaya siya naging a times 1 times 1 equals a over bc. Yan, example. Lagyan natin siya ng numbers 2, tapos gawin natin itong 3, tapos lagyan pa natin ng isang fourth root equals, gagawin mo lang dito ay kopyahin mo na itong pinakaloob, x squared. Tapos, itong cube root, gagawin mo lang siyang fraction ng 1 over 3. Then, itong fourth root, gagawin mo lang siya as, multiply mo lang dito sa taas, gagawin mo 1 over 4. Yan, ganun lang yan, equals x. Tapos, multiplying fractions na tayo. 2 times 1 times 1 equals 2 over 3 times 4. Yan. Equals x raised to 2 over 3 times 4, 12. Or pwede mo itong i-reduce yung fraction. Which equals x raised to 1 over 6. Ganun lang yung laws of exponents. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to.